Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can change your name on Instagram without waiting 14 days. A lot of people have this problem and that's why I made this video, guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 ways on how you can change your name without waiting 14 days. Now all you have to do, guys, is just want to follow these exact steps. Now I'm going to try this on my account and I'm going to change it right now. I just changed my name a few seconds ago, and now whenever I want to change it, as you can see, I click done. It says here you can change your name right now because you have changed it a few seconds, like I just changed it a few seconds ago. Now how can I change it right now? Now there are 3 ways, like I said, guys. If you have if you have changed your name to something embarrassing, then you can just delete the name and wait 14 days to change it again. You can just click on the name and then delete all the name and then click done. If something embarrassing, you want to do that immediately, you can just delete it. But if you want to change it, then just follow these exact steps. Like I said, when you delete the name, you will have to wait 14 days and then come back and then just add a new name. But if you want to change it, then follow these exact steps. I'm going to show you guys 2 other methods that will help you. Now, the second option, guys, is to deactivate your account for a certain period, at least 24 hours. I know that most of you guys don't want to wait 24 hours. Like, you just don't want to wait. There is something like you want to change your name immediately. Then the second option may not work for everyone. If you don't want to wait 24 hours, like you won't find any option to deactivate your Instagram account on the app itself, so the link to deactivate is hidden. Instagram doesn't want you to leave its platform, but you can easily do that by just clicking the video in the description. I will show you how you can deactivate your account in a few steps. Now the third method, which works but you will have to wait a few hours, is to contact Instagram. You have to tell Instagram that, hi Instagram, I have entered a wrong name, I would like to change it. And then the problem is they will ask you for your ID. The reason why you have to wait 14 days is because they are scared of people who are trying to scam everyone on Instagram. Just want to click 3 little lions in the top right, and then click 3 settings in the top, and then you want to click help, and then you want to click on report a problem, and then click on report a problem without shaking, and click on include and continue. You just have to tell Instagram, hi, I would like to change my name before 14 days. I have entered a wrong name. That's all you need to do, guys, and then you will get back to you within a few hours. And then click send in the top right, and then they will get back to you guys within a few hours to change your name. But the best way, guys, is to deactivate your account and reactivate it again, and you will be able to change your name. Or the first method, which to remove the name and then just wait. 14 days is nothing, just wait, it will pass easily. So drop a like if you find value in this video, and see you guys in the next video.